Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexandra. I try to have like a vision of what I want my year to look like, so I thought we would do a little bit of that for this video, and I hope that this motivates you in maybe creating a vision board for yourself or setting up some new goals that you want to accomplish. So let's go ahead and start with some footage that I got from organizing my space, which I feel like is priority in all of this. So I have my laptop right here. If you're interested in this case or in my phone case, I have the link to shop the Burga official website down in the description box, and I also have a discount code. This video is not sponsored, I just thought I would share it. If you guys have watched my monthly resets this whole year, I think I only missed 1 month, which I'm very proud of. It was really hard to keep up, and so this is going to be my overlook at what I accomplished in November real quick. First, I had the goal of 1900 on TikTok, which I am not there yet. I'm close. We're only like 40-ish away, but I don't have that. I did upload 10 YouTube shorts and 3 YouTube videos, and I did complete 2 paid collabs, which I'm really grateful for. But I also was looking at financial and wanting to have a no spending week. I've just purchased a lot of things for the apartment and also like Christmas and stuff, so overall I really don't think I accomplished that. Walking every day I did, and getting ready for bed at 11 a.m. in November, I really did this so much better. I was going to bed so late, and I really got ready earlier, and I got in bed earlier as well, so I'm really proud of that. Getting back to the gym, we're gonna talk about that, and we're gonna work on that real hard for next year, because that did not happen. Watch Grey's Anatomy only 4 times a week. Yes, I did that. I don't know how that happened, but I did that. And self-care night or day, yeah, read The Light We Carry. I did start reading this book, and you guys, I finally finished reading this book right here that I've been sharing with you guys for the past like 2 months. It took me forever to finish, but I finally finished it, and I am so proud of myself. So I finished that book in November, plus I also started reading Read The Light We Carry. Oh wait, I did not finish it though, so I'm not gonna check that off. I'm still reading the book. Lastly is organize my closet, which I did. So these are all the goals that I accomplished in November, which is not bad, so a little pat on the back for myself. We're gonna look at our goals for 2023. Let's see what I actually accomplished. So for social platforms, I have 3,000 on TikTok. We are currently almost at 2,000 on TikTok, so I will not check that off. If you would like to help me accomplish this goal, definitely go follow me on TikTok. Next is 2,500 on YouTube. We are so close to this. We are at 2.45, so I'm pretty sure we can accomplish this before the year ends, because I'm filming this early. So I have a feeling we can accomplish this, but I'm not going to check that off, you know, so we'll see. what happens. But invest $200 to $400 a month. I'm gonna check this off because I did this for a long time this year. Super long time. Almost the entire year I did this, and I'm really proud of this because this was my first year like actually investing my money. Read 4 money books. Specifically, I don't think I read 4 money books because I think maybe I read like 1 but not 4. And then read 1 health book. I do not, well, I guess define health, right? I'll check this off because I did read health related, like mental health or like stuff like that, relationship. Yeah, so we'll check this one off. I guess it depends on that type of health, but I still feel like I learned a lot of health things in the books that I read this year. And work out or walk every day, I'm gonna say yes. I did so good with working out up until we moved from January to, I believe it was September 1st. Or August technically, because we were moving and stuff and packing. After that, I just have been doing so well with walking literally every day. So I'm gonna check this off. I feel like health wise I have done so well in terms of moving my body this year. I'm so proud. I do miss the gym, like being there all the time, and it's definitely something that I need to get back on and something that I want to get back on. So that's definitely in my plans for 2024. And then personal, read 20 books. According to my Instagram stories, which is where I post like a little update, although I've missed like quite a few books, I have calculated I have read like 11 or 12 books. So that did not make it to 20 books, but I'm gonna keep probably that same goal of 20 books for next year because I really do feel like I fell off my reading grind, like somewhere in between the reading. At some point, like I just feel like I fell off, and it just took me forever to read one single book. So I think this is also why it's important to be confident in the books that I like pick. I definitely feel like I've been taking care of myself a little bit more this year compared to the last few years. And then traveled to Puerto Rico, which we did, and it was just so beautiful, the ocean and everything. I'm so glad that I went. And then traveled to Peru. I am going to check this off because by the time you guys are watching this, I am already in Peru. So I'm so excited to be going to Peru. And then road trips, I did take a few road trips. We went to San Diego, we went to LA a couple times, so really nice, and I'm glad that I did those road trips. So these are all the goals that I accomplished for 2023. So for 2024, I want to set some goals, nothing like crazy specific, but I do want to set some goals to help me like be on track in terms of the things that I want to accomplish. So first, for social platforms, I'm gonna say I want to reach 4K on TikTok. I think that's very doable. So then I want to reach 2K on Instagram, which I'm very close, so I think it's doable. I'm really trying to make these goals realistic. And then on YouTube, I want to reach 3K, and hopefully we can reach way more. So 3K. Financially, I do want to get back into investing because I have missed like the last 3 months of investing for this year of 2023. So I want to get back on investing again, and also building up my emergency fund because I did have to dig into it for some important stuff. Setting a budget for myself, for things that I want to purchase for myself. Health, I want to move my body every day. Learn new recipes. Learn healthier recipes. For personal, I really want to read 15 books. I'm gonna set that goal. No, actually, let's try for 20. I think it's doable. I really think it's doable. I just have to get like books that I'm interested in and read 20 books. So for travel is the last one. Me and Caesar have this plan of having 2 big trips per year because according with our goals and our financial goals and all that stuff, we just have made sure to come to agreement that we can have 2 big trips a year because we're trying to do so many other things, you know, but also of course we want to travel. So our 2 big trips, I don't know yet, but for sure one of them is going to be Canada. So I'm gonna say travel to Canada. And specifically, we do plan to go to Banff. I think that's one of the places that I've really been researching a lot and planning for. And then the second big trip, I don't know where yet. So I'm unsure on the second big trip that we're gonna do, but I'm definitely gonna add road trips. Those are all the goals that I have for 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments what is one of your New Year's resolutions or something you put in your vision board that you would like to accomplish in the new year of 2024. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!